number 25. Given that P is 25 meters on a bearing of 330 degrees from Q, how far south of P is Q? Solution. So I always like to draw the town that comes after from. I like to draw that first. It helps you a lot. So we're going to draw Q first. So if you draw Q first, so on a bearing of 330 degrees, moving clockwise, we have 90, 180, 270. So 330 degrees should be somewhere here. So 330 degrees. If you move 330 degrees, we find another town, and the name of that town is P. So P is 330 degrees from Q, and the distance is 25 meters, right? So that's the question, 25 meters. So P is 25 meters from Q on a bearing of 330 degrees. Now the question is, how far south of P is Q? So this is P, this is north, this is east, this is west, this is south. So how far south of P is Q? So this question is just asking you the distance from this place to this place. Now you already know that this is a right angle. It's a straight line, it's a right angle. So which means that 25 centimeter is our hypotenuse. So, and the angle we have here, we have 90 degrees actually, but we have another angle here. So if you subtract 330, to find the angle here, if you subtract 330 degrees from 270, which is this line, you are going to get 60 degrees. So 60 degrees, this angle here formed here is 60 degrees. So knowing that now, we can use trigonometric ratios to find that distance. So to find that distance, we use, this is opposite, and we have the hypotenuse. So we're going to use sine. So if you do sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite of a hypotenuse. Our opposite is, so let's call this, this what we're looking for, you can call it X or Y or anything. So let's call it D. D, which is our opposite, over our hypotenuse, which is 25. So what you're going to do now is to do 25 sine 60. 25 sine 60. So if you press 25 sine 60 in your calculator, you're going to get 21.65 something. So which is going to give us, we are now asked to approximate to any decimal place or significant figure. So you either leave your answer as 21.65 or 21.7 meters. That is how far Q is south of P.